Imagine a world where data moves at light speed, medical imaging sees the unseen, and security is absolute. This isn't sci-fi, it's the promise of the terahertz frequency band, and we're about to unveil its key, the slot cavity-backed array antenna. Why THC? Because it offers unprecedented data speeds and precision for critical applications like 6G communications, advanced medical diagnostics, aerospace navigation, industrial quality control, and next-gen security screening. Our slot cavity-backed array antenna, meticulously designed and simulated in Ansys HFSS, is the crucial component. Its unique design ensures highly directional and efficient signal transmission, focusing energy where it's needed most. Let's quickly look at some illustrative performance highlights from our Ansys HFSS simulations. Return loss, S11, consistently below -15 dB from 1 to 3 THz, showing excellent signal matching. Gain, a peak gain of around 17 dB, crucial for long range and strong signal penetration. VSWR, maintained below 1.51, confirming efficient power transfer. 3D gain pattern, a highly directional beam with minimal side lobes, perfect for focused communication and sensing. Real-world applications where this antenna shines. 6G ultra-high-speed wireless links for seamless AR/VR, holographic calls, and massive IoT networks. Non-invasive medical imaging capable of detecting skin cancer, dental decay, or early-stage tumors with pinpoint accuracy. Airport and border security scanners that can detect concealed items without harmful radiation. Satellite and deep space communications with ultra-low latency and strong link stability. High-resolution industrial inspection, such as detecting micro cracks in aircraft parts or verifying semiconductor chip quality. Environmental monitoring, including detecting chemical leaks or pollutants in real time. This antenna is a game changer, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the terahertz spectrum. The future of wireless technology is here, driven by innovations like the slot cavity-backed array antenna. Like this video, subscribe for more tech insights, and tell us what THC application excites you most.